Hi, it's Janet McHugh. Are you trying to figure out why your leggings aren't lasting as long as they should be? And you're just like, well, everyone says they're supposed to last a long time and you're supposed to be taking care of them the way you should be, and maybe you're not? So let's talk about how you're taking care of them. First of all, everyone knows the manufacturer says hand wash. Not a lot of people like hand washing clothes nowadays, right? Okay, so it's a pain in the ass. You have to wash them in your sink, you have to wash them in a bucket, your kitchen sink, your bathroom sink, your bathtub. Don't wash them in your toilet. You don't want to do that. Ugh. So anyway, you're going to insist on washing them in your washing machine. Let me show you how to make them last, even if you wash them in your washing machine, okay? My leggings are... I don't have a new pair in the last couple years, and I sell leggings, okay? So, but here's how mine are still black as black and bright as bright, okay? First of all, make sure, see, here's where the tag used to be. You're washing them all inside out. See how black those are? Those are 2 years and 2 months or 3 months old, okay? All of mine are, see? Black, black. That's the first thing, inside out. See, there's that little tag spot. So that's tip one. Oh, before we get to washing, when you put leggings on, sit down, gather them up, put them on like you would a pair of stockings, nylons, pantyhose, something like that. Gather them from the bottom and pull them gently up. Don't put them on like you're putting on your favorite pair of jeans or a pair of shorts, because that's how you get runs in them. You can run leggings. Most people don't know that until they've done it. You can get holes in them. With these nails, believe me, if I didn't take care of them, there'd be like a gazillion holes in my leggings. But there's zero. You see that? Zero holes in my leggings, because I take care of them. I put them on the right way. It takes me 5 seconds longer to put them on, but who cares, because I save money. So next step. Wash them with like things. This is a really light tank top, okay? Notice it's black too. It's a dark color. Here's another. This is like the cutest tank top ever. I gotta show you this one. Is this cute or what? Little skulls. One of my favorites. But inside out, because I want it to stay nice too, okay? Inside out. So I'm gonna wash it with... These are a pair of shorts from my legging company, but I like them to stay nice too. But I'm washing in cold water, so I'm okay washing this bright pair with those black pairs inside out. We'll double check the pockets. I'm notorious for forgetting to put something on, taking something out of my pockets. You can wash your sports bras with them. Don't wash a bra with them that has an underwire in it. See, sports bra. Okay? Sports bra. And this is one of our nice silky feeling wicking, sweat wicking Diamondbacks jersey. Go D-backs next year. Okay, so, but I want this to stay nice, so inside out. So now I have my little bitty load sorted. See, I'm talking little bitty. Nothing has stains on it, so I'm good to go for there. So I'm going to open this door here. The infamous microscopic laundry room. See, there's my washer. Let's go that way, okay? Let's see if I can do this. Bring you with me. Bring my little laundry basket. Set it right down here for right now, so I can show you what I'm doing. So when you're washing leggings, oops, wrong way. On your settings over here, if you do not have a delicate cycle, which this one doesn't, because we live in an apartment complex, you can set it to permanent press or short. Permanent press has a cool down cycle. That's why I like it. Over here, always set your water to cold, cold. Over here, set it to whatever size, okay? Now, I always set it a little larger for leggings so they have room to move around. All right, so I'm going to back up a second. That way I can show you what I wash in. Since these are mostly dark leggings, we'll like for dark colors. All right? So before I even start my water, you don't fill it all the way, all right? Not unless you have a huge load and a huge wash. You put that in, then you start your water. Now here's a note most of you probably simply don't know. This is my fabric softener ball. See the fabric softener in there for my next load? You don't use fabric softener on leggings. Ever, ever, ever. You just don't. It ruins them. That stays on the dryer for the next load. I prep in advance everything. So, cold water, medium load, permanent press. Now we're going to wait a second. I'm going to hit pause a second here. Okay, hi, I'm back. Water's partially full. I just want to show you real quick. Hopefully I don't drop my phone in the washing machine. See? I'm about half full down there. That's how full I am before I ever put any of my clothes in, all right? You want your laundry soap to be partially dissolved. Or dissolved before you put anything in. So now I'm going to put my clothes in. I turned my washer off so you could hear me. Otherwise it would still be running, okay? Everything's going in. I shake everything loose. Make sure there's not a stray white sock or something odd, because that has been known to happen. Close it. I'm going to start it, but before I start it, I want to let you know. When this load gets done, I don't put it in the dryer, okay? I'm going to either hang it on a thick hanger, not a wire hanger, over my shower rack, but because I have a folding rack and I live in Arizona, I can hang stuff outside all year round, and that's what I'll do. Even the D-back shirt, and then to make the D-back shirt soft, what I'll do is throw it in the dryer on fluff for like 10 minutes. It's an air dry, and all that does is make it soft again. Sometimes if I've got a light breeze, I don't even have to do that, okay? And the leggings, if there's any breeze at all, will be super, super soft. Otherwise, if you feel they're hard, shake them a couple times. That's all you got to do, is go out occasionally, shake them, and they're perfect. And then if you find that they've got lint on them, run a lint brush, a lint roller. You know, one of those tape rollers? Run one of those across it. You would be surprised at how good that works. I'm going to take you outside and show you my little drying rack and what I've got stuff on it right now, but that's okay. But I just want to show you where I dry my stuff off. But I'm about ready to start this back up, so let me show you. So that'll run its little cycle. It's going to take about 20 minutes, and let me take you outside. I'll be right back. Right here is my little wire rack. I got a couple little blankets on it right now, see? But those are just about dry. And if you're worried, like I said, you could always throw a fan on them, or if you think that things are getting too stiff, just shake them a little. These two back here are nice and soft. This one I might throw in the dryer for about 5 minutes on fluff. But that's it for be right back. Okay, so now you know how I keep my leggings looking brand new, even though they're over 2 years old. And my bright ones, I just don't happen to have any in my laundry today. But the bright ones are just as bright. I have some that have pinks and purples and greens and blues, and they look like an Easter egg, to be honest with you. But I love them because I can wear them with any color shirt. White, black, green, purple, yellow, blue, doesn't matter, and they match. But so I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you. And find me right here on YouTube. You can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Google+, and on my website, where you will find all sorts of great things, including shopping sites for leggings, shirts, shorts, all sorts of neat stuff, makeup, skincare, and you'll find ways to make money. You can sign up to be a consultant on any of my sites, and I have a great link to a money-making site. It is an online marketing site. Look for all those, and look for my new blog that I just started, and I hope you have a blessed day. My website is janetmchugh.com.